Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have a review on Colourpop's new collection in collaboration with Disney. This is the Disney Designer Collection by Colourpop. I have the entire PR box here. I'm gonna go through everything with you, show you everything. So if you are interested to see what this collection looks like, please continue watching. First off, let's talk about this gorgeous box. I just ended up getting the big PR box. I really love that companies now are releasing the PR box to purchase. I purchased all of this myself and I thought it would be to go ahead and give you guys a full review on the entire box and the entire collection. So it comes in this beautiful box with all the princesses all around. This is inspired by the Masquerade doll collection that Disney recently came out with. I'm a huge Disney fan, so when I saw this collection, I almost died just a little bit. Inside this collection, it comes with so many products. First off, let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. I did use this eyeshadow palette to create my eye look today. I didn't use any of the other products. I thought I would try on the lipsticks and also the highlighters and blush all on camera. For this eyeshadow palette, it looks so pretty. So it comes with really shimmery eye colors. I used this white shimmer right over here and packed it onto my eye today. It has such chunky glitter. It was insane, but it looks so pretty. To get the look today, I used Pip to apply that to my crease, and then I went ahead and used Gaston. This is a gorgeous berry shade, and applied that to my outer corner. And then I used Damsel to kind of blend all of those colors together. And then I did do a cut crease because I really wanted those glitters to stick and pop. When I dug into this white glitter, it's so chunky. I'll also put some swatches of these colors, but these eyeshadows are very good quality. They're very creamy and very pigmented, which I love in eyeshadow palettes because if they're pigmented, you can always go less, but if they're not pigmented at all, then you don't have any room to kind of maneuver. But these are just so perfect and they're beautiful. The colors are very pretty. I particularly really love this Frog and Wife, and because I really wanted to try all of the lipsticks today on camera, I really wanted to go with a more neutral type of eye look, but I did end up using this Frog and Wife underneath my eye just to give a little bit of a pop of color, and I think this eye look looks really gorgeous. Now, of course, you don't have to purchase this entire collection. Colourpop is selling these individually, so if you are just interested in the eyeshadow palette, you can definitely purchase this alone. It's definitely a very gorgeous palette. All right, now let's go through the entire box. I'm so excited. I haven't really looked at them. I've kept myself really controlled, but I did want to use the eyeshadow palette at least. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you guys everything from the highlighters to the blush. All right, so let's start off with this one right here. This is so pretty. I love the packaging to this collection. So this is the Rapunzel Bundle. Comes in a very beautiful box like this, and inside it has Rapunzel and it says "I see the light." And then we have this liquid lipstick, and I believe this is a blush. Yes, this is a beautiful pink blush. Now I'm gonna apply the Rapunzel liquid lipstick. Oh, the shade is very pretty. All right, so I just zoomed you guys in so you can see the color much more. I really like the fine point to the applicator. It makes applying the lipstick so much easier. So this is Rapunzel, and let's just apply this blush on. These little compacts do come with a mirror, unlike the eyeshadow palette. This does have a little bit of a blue undertone as well. It's not very pigmented, but it's just really beautiful. It gives such a nice flush of pink to the cheeks. All right, next up we have the Cinderella Bundle. The Cinderella Bundle comes like this. Inside we have Cinderella, and it says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes." And this is the Cinderella Compact and the liquid lipstick. I believe this one is a highlighter. Yes, this is a pressed powder highlighter. Oh my god, so pretty. It's like a champagne color. Next up, we have the Giselle Bundle. Let's see, this one is also a pressed powder highlighter. And we have Giselle here, and it says Ever, Ever After. Next, we have the Megara Bundle. Megara is from Hercules. Again, it comes in a package like so with Megara, and this one says 0 to Hero. Next, we have the Tiana Bundle, and we have Tiana, and it says Down in New Orleans. Okay, so we have 3 more bundles to go. This is the Esmeralda Bundle. Alright guys, 2 more bundles to go. Next we have the Aurora Bundle. These are the ones that I'm really excited about. Aurora, and the Belle one is next. Beauty and the Beast is my favorite movie of all time, so. But this is the Aurora. And we have Aurora, and it says Once Upon a Dream. Alright, so the last bundle is the Belle Bundle. This beautiful packaging. And we have Belle. I love Belle's dress for the dolls that they actually made for this collection, or that's inspired for this collection. So if I was to purchase any of these dolls, I would definitely purchase the Belle one. So that's the entire collection tried on. This is probably the most products I've tried on my face all at one time in a video, but I really enjoyed it. I love this entire collection. I don't know if I really have a favorite, but if you're going for more of a natural type of bundle, then definitely the Belle one would be the one to go for. The more kind of glam ones would be like Tiana. Megara is also one as well. And then kind of the natural type of looks, not quite nude, but would be the Cinderella and the Rapunzel ones. I really do like the Rapunzel, and I love the Belle one as well. But I feel like all of these shades are so beautiful. The blushes go on so well, so do the highlighters. If you are a Disney fan, you are going to love this collection. And even if you're not a Disney fan, the products are very good quality. The liquid lipsticks are so comfortable on the lips. I highly, highly recommend this collection to you guys. And that's it for my review of Colourpop's Disney Designer Collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm really interested to know what you guys think about this collection and which bundle is your favorite. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one of these bundles was your absolute favorite. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.